this video, we will show you how to control RAM usage on Microsoft Edge browser. The newest feature on Microsoft Edge, especially for the Canary channel, you can set how you can limit the RAM usage on the browser. How to do that? First, in here, I will open my Microsoft Edge browser for the Canary. Okay, before these new features applied on the commonly Microsoft Edge, in here, we will show you how to do that on the Canary channel for the Microsoft Edge. First, you need to click the settings and more. You can see here. And then select the settings. From the settings, you can scroll down in the system and performance. You can see here, system and performance. Then scroll down in here. You see there are resource control menu. You can enable this. After that, you can set how you need to use RAM on your browser. Okay, for example, we select always, and in here, this is the maximum RAM we can use is 4 gigabytes. For example, we use just 3 gigabytes, and don't use RAM to little bit because maybe affected your Microsoft Edge performance. You can see the RAM you usage by clicking the browser essential here. After you enable the resource control, it will appear in here. You can see there. This is maximum RAM usage the Microsoft Edge can use. And let's try to reopen our web browser here. Okay, and when click the settings, the RAM usage is appear. Okay, the maximum is 3 gigabytes. And that's all tutorial how to control RAM usage on Microsoft Edge browser. For the note, this only available on Canary channel. Okay, if you using Microsoft Edge for the commonly, you need to wait until these features applied on there. Hope this video helpful for you.